Hi, today I'm part of MCT Blade A71 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while the application and then drag this up to another one. And by this way we can see that we'll just create the home screen folder. If you want to give a name to this folder, just tap here to unnamed folder and then enter the name, for example the apps. Tap to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully give the name to our folder. By the same way you can rename it. If you want to move this folder here on the screen, you should just hold and drag it. By the same way we can create the new screens and to move the folder between the screens. As you can see, that's so simple. We just should hold and then drag it. Just to remove the application from the folder, we should hold it and drag it to the home screen, and by this way we can remove the folder. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.